And good morning. Well, if you thought last week was wet, you're absolutely right. In London, we saw close to the monthly average in the last 7 days. Also wet in Prestatyn in North Wales, but Buxton in the Peak District saw over half its November average in just last week. Now, that heavy rain did cause some flooding problems, and we did see some flood warnings in force. We've still got some in force, one in Wales, many in central and eastern England, and with further unsettled weather to come during this week, you may want to take a note of the floodline number 0845 988 1188. So yes, it's going to be unsettled during this coming week. We're going to see spells of rain intermingled with sunshine and showers. It is going to be quite windy at times during the first half of the week, in particular over western and northern areas when it will be quite mild. But as the wind changes direction, we'll see it turning cooler later on in the week. Now, these are nighttime temperatures, and it is going to be quite mild. But as we head into Thursday night, we see a frost coming into Scotland. By Friday night, that's creeped southwards into northern parts of England. Now, the unsettled weather is going to be due to an area of low pressure. Currently, it's to the northwest of Scotland, and as we go through the next few days, we see it creeping closer to Scotland. Tightly packed isobars further to the south, indicating those stronger winds. And then as we head into Thursday and Friday, those isobars open out, so lighter winds coming in from the north or northeast, and we'll also see some mist and fog. But with that low always close by, we are going to see some wet weather as well as some showers and a little bit of sunshine. Well, during today and overnight, we saw quite a massive cloud coming in from the west. It's brought some quite heavy rain, up to 5 to 15 millimetres across much of the country. We're seeing some clearer weather coming into the west now, but that rain still over northern Scotland, the eastern fringes of England, particularly the southeast and into the Channel Islands during the early part of the afternoon. But some brighter weather coming in behind, 1 or 2 showers around, but later on some rain coming into Northern Ireland and remaining wet and windy across northern Scotland, where it is going to be quite chilly, but we'll see temperatures up to around 12 or 14 further south. Now, by the end of the night, another low coming into the west, ensuring showers or longer spells of rain for Northern Ireland and much of Scotland. The driest and brightest weather over parts of central and eastern England, where we'll see temperatures up to around 14. Now, that low still over the northwest on Tuesday. Another front running up into the southeast on Tuesday. So here it will be quite wet. And sandwiched in between, we'll see a mixture of sunshine and showers, and almost a repeat performance as we head on into Wednesday. So we'll see the brightest weather probably over southeast Scotland and eastern England, and we'll still see temperatures into the low teens. By Thursday, we see that area of low pressure nudging into more central parts of Scotland. The wind's turning lighter, hence that frost on Thursday night. And another little front coming into the south, ensuring a batch of quite heavy showers, perhaps 1 or 2 thundery, but some brighter weather as we head up into central and eastern parts of England. And once again, we'll see that on Friday, but otherwise very showery indeed. Bye for now.